How to share screen on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. After that, simply click on the chat where you want to share your screen. After you have opened the chat, simply click on video call option at the top and call. Click on three dots at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then you will find these options. Click on share screen, which is the first option, and you will be able to share screen. But you can only share screen if they pick up your call. Unless they pick up your call, you won't be able to share your screen. And this is the simple way to share your screen on WhatsApp. This is how to share screen on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.